for the Afghan.
Round
I'll be
1.
rather surprised to see if this bout goes beyond second round.
Igor looks strong, steady.
To start off, Firdaus demonstrating good work rate, indicating that he's not going to back down that easily.
Quick moments.
He's lining him up. He's lining him up. Igor
Igor
lining up for a power
Right.
punch. That's his game plan. That's exactly what he did during the semifinals. All but one-sided.
Ooh.
Take a look at it. Oh my goodness. How can you take that power
He's a hard fighter, as you can see.
to the
His
body
bloody shots are quite
and
clean.
upstairs? Afghan under pressure. He's clearly rattled. Another right. Oh my goodness.
Look at the
He's
way he
coming up
strikes.
against the rope. Afghan had no answers.
Strikes hard and he back to back his guard. What a boxer. Keeping his rhythm. He owned the momentum here. Clean body shots.
Powerful
landed.
one landed upstairs. Uppercut landed straight after.
Afghan boxer. Looks in pressure.
Couple landed there. I'm rather surprised. Judge, the ref, not taken that one for account. Oh, that's it.
Ooh.
Cornered. Flurry of punches. Afghan boxer just about managing to escape. Oh, powerful right landed just there.
I don't think this is going to last even 2 rounds. Igor looks ferocious.
My goodness. How can you stand up against a boxer like Igor? Keep coming. Another one landed to the chin.
Keep coming like hunter to hunt his prey. Look at those brutal
That's the
combinations.
flurry. Hardly challenged. Hardly touched.
No warning for Blue. Here we go again.
He knows only one way. Couple of punches to back him off. Firdaus definitely need to get his work rate up. If this continues this way, it'll be an early finish.
Igor continuing the pace
Another one
here.
landed upstairs.
He's controlling the rhythm of this round. As you can see, he's keep pressing forward, pushing pressure on Firdaus.
Powerful body blow. Now once again up against the corner. Looking for survival. Final 10 seconds. Oh,
Goodness, what a combination from Igor.
just about managing, just about escaping the first round. Taken the bout to the second round itself. A moral victory for Afghan boxer. This is way too much power, too much speed, too much attitude.
Igor putting the pressure on the first round, as you can see. Just look at those combinations. Critical. Those must be really excruciating to bear. He's cornered, continuously attacking, right into the place. Body blows, upstairs. He's a ferocious fighter.
Thing about
Seconds out.
Igor's approach is not care about the opponent's work rate. If you got power punches, I'm ready for it.
Round 2.
I'll move forward like a tank. That's his approach. Non-stop. Barrage of punches. He's getting close. This is dangerous. One landed for Firdaus. He needs to land constantly to keep that pressure away.
Looks like Firdaus rising up. He started to strike again, but yet Igor is in control. He's attacking continuously, throwing brutal combinations right into the place, right on time.
That's couple landed there.
What
Combination.
a combination.
Immediately, Firdaus shaking his head. Another left. Still marching forward. There's no other way for him to fight. Cornering his opponent, delivering punch after punch. And from time to time, Firdaus taken the liberty of delivering a couple of punches. If he can land them accurately, he just maybe can keep this rampant boxer from Kazakhstan away. But hardly any resistance. Keep marches forward. Now he's running away from punches, basically. Ah. Oh, that's the third count, if I'm not mistaken. Too much power, too much class. As Igor continues, lands another powerful one.
As the match
One to the body.
As the round continues, you can feel the sheer weight on this arena. Both
Just
fighters.
one powerful punch away from concluding the proceedings in this cruiserweight category. Oh, far too many.
Even though Firdaus took so many punches, he's fighting back, deciding to attacking again. Yet,
Oh my
Igor,
goodness. This will be it. This is enough for me. This is enough. Energy levels gone down. Body language says it. Yet another gold. There was a couple of matches which they didn't manage to bag the gold. Once again, familiar ways. Afghanistan didn't stood a chance. Kazakhstan. Gold medal number 20th in the day. My goodness.
The winner of this bout by referee stop the contest is the boxer from the blue corner, Igor Solovyev, representing
Igor
Kazakhstan.
Solovyev. Remember that name. He's ready to take up the world. He's ready to